Go to photovisi.com and click on Register. Go through the sign-up procedure, then click Start Creating. Click on a template for your photo story. You can change the background later if you like. Then click Add Items and choose images from your computer or webcam. After you have uploaded the images you want, you can adjust the place and size of the images. Click on an image and drag the dots to maximize, minimize the pictures. Then click Add Text. Choose a font and type in a text for the picture. Then click Add Text to Collage. You can adjust the text size as well, again using the dots around the text. After you have finished with your photo story, click Finish. Choose your download resolution and click Continue below. Now you have various options to share your collage. You can also close this window and click on Download Collage. Now your collage is downloaded.